today I'm going to be doing cage tours, Sunday cage tours to be in fact. Every Sunday I'm going to do a cage tour, and usually Freddie and Fumble are up and about. I'm going to do Freddie's first and Fumble's last because she'll probably be asleep by then. And see a reflection in the water bottle. There she is. So yeah, I guess I'll get started. So I've been doing videos in a while, being quite busy with sorting out video ideas, but hopefully this isn't too short, and yeah. So I'm just going to get started with Freddie's cage tour, and there's Freddie. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I guess I'll start off with the third level. These are Lazybones cages from eBay. Lazybones sell their own products on there, so these are brand new when we got them. So, you know, sometimes companies sell their products on eBay. I guess just to make it easier, I don't know, so they don't have to put their own website up. So I don't have the label, but I guess I'll show that at the end if I can. I don't know. But I'm going to start with the third level. So here is his water bottle that I got from Pets at Home. We had to get. And then we've got his sand pit. It was actually a dog food bowl product, but no dog has ever been in there before, by the way. Then we've got his wheel that came with the cage. And then we've got his loofah that came with the cage. Yeah. He loves that. And then there's Freddie over there in his strawberry house that we have decorated with like nesting and everything. And he really loves like having nesting all about him and having a door. He used that for a door once. He pulled it back and then like let it go, but then it fell, so that kind of failed. But you know, there's a piece of lettuce that he hasn't touched right now. Maybe he hasn't really seen it, but you know. So yeah, so this is. Then we have his wooden chew bowl thing. It's got like plaited one, and then it's like loads of layers, and he really loves chewing. He loves chews. He loves chewing on anything. So for background noise, that's Fumble. She's awake. It's a glimpse of what she's doing right now. Kind of annoying, but you know, just because she wants the attention. So yeah. She does that all the time, by the way. So that is the entrance to the tube, and then it goes. He climbs up all the way, and then here's his food bowl that came with the cage. And then there's a blocker, just in case you don't fall. Blockers are a very good idea if you want to make your hamsters safe and not get them hurt themselves. And if they like climbing about and jumping and everything, you should definitely get a blocker just to block up the holes that they might jump through. So they just might jump through that and really hurt themselves. So by the way, the food bowl came with the cage. And the blockers did as well. So that's a bit of food there. It's disgusting right now. We're eating that. And then there's a loofah, brown loofah over here. It's the same as that, but brown. And then here we have his wooden bridge that he chews and climbs on. Spears, he really loves chewing things, by the way. It's really good, and I'm really proud of him for that, because he wears down his teeth as well. Because he's bankrupt, if you didn't know that already. Fumble's doing a really cute thing, but I can't show it, because I have to do this. So there's a yellow chew that's a bit dark, but it's really long. It's a good idea to have a variety of like chews, so that, and that long one. And then the other long one should be in the food bowl. Is it still there? No, he's taken it out somewhere, but there's a black long chew. Probably still is in there, but it's like the yellow one but black. He's probably hid that somewhere. Because I placed it in his food bowl, because he likes having those things in his food bowl. So then we've got the tube, entrance is there, quite low so he doesn't have to jump. Then he can walk up that, come up here, and then we've got his toilet with a little bit of poops. He's with toilet training him now, so hopefully you use that. I mean, yeah, you haven't seen any poops there or there, so it's quite good now. But he's just placed a little bit of poops, but he might have took them out with him or stuck them on. It's a bit gross, but you know. So hopefully he's potty trained by the end of the week, hopefully he's in there. But also he uses this as a potty as well, because he's been peeing in there, so yeah. So we've got his food bowl, and then his other chew, and then his other chew. Water bottle came with the cage, and then his blue wheel. And then this says Freddie. That's not Freddie, by the way, it's just like a little picture that's really cute that looks like him. And then we've got this open bit that we can just pick your hamster out with, but since our hamsters don't like being picked up, and I can clearly see why, seriously, it's just, they're having a good life anyway, and they don't really need picking up. Because we don't want them to get hurt right now, because they're still, but they're used to their names and everything, and they're really friendly, they just don't like being picked up, so, yeah, or handled. So this is we let air in if it's like really hot. Here's the bars, as you see, they're quite small gaps, but I won't show you that. We've got the handle, very useful. And now we move on to Fumble's cage. So, there's Fumble, she's running about as usual, yeah. There's a water bottle, same kind of layout almost, but there's a green wheel that came with the cage. Pink food bowl there, with an orange fake chew in it, I guess. Piece of lettuce isn't touched. She loves lettuce, by the way. Little wooden, she's got loads of chews, I think she bought them all up over there. The little pink cinderella chew, a round one. The long one that's yellow, pink one, and then a red and a green loofah too. And then there's a tube down, and here she has a little bed. We're going to change it to a toilet. It's just because we made it ready when we were cleaning Freddy's out, and Freddy's was cleaned out way before that. Oh my god, guys, there's something found. I think it's how much I had a little, to put, but managed to catch it before it fell. So, yeah. So, then, we've got the downstairs tube here, with the food bowl here, the blocker, the sound kit. Shush! Shut up. More knows if I give her like a little blow that she needs to stop, so yeah. And it doesn't hurt her, by the way, so yeah. There's a peanut back there. Would you? Shush. Jesus, piece of lettuce. Please eat that. No. God. So, then there's a tube down here. And you've probably just got the one to show the case, but no. There's a green wheel there. Then we've got the toilet roll thing. Then we've got the house, a little home. And then we've got the that's a home water bottle. So the blockers all on the side. We also have clips. This is like cracked, but we put a sellotape piece in now, it's okay. Would you? Shush. For 1 second. Okay. Anyway, guys. So that was Fumble and Freddy's kind of like cage tour thing. Sorry if Fumble was seriously annoying. No, she eating that. Anyway, so Freddy's at his house, by the way. So that was Fumble and Freddy's Sunday cage tours. I'm going to do it every Sunday now. So we haven't been doing the videos in a while. I've been very busy. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time in the next video. So hopefully we'll go pets home today. I'm not sure. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!